In previous sessions, we have discussed additions and next we have discussed end numbers. Next we have discussed double digit plus single digit. In this session, we are going to discuss double digit plus double digit. Here 35 plus 44. In our school method, they have told with the help of fingers. But in Vedic maths, we will not depend on fingers, we will depend on our mind. So, here, if you observe 3 plus 4, 7. Before writing 7 as it is, we have to check the next digits. That is 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 is carry combination or non-carry combination. We have to check. Here 5 plus 4 is non-carry combination. So, for non-carry combinations, directly simply we will write 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 5 plus 4, 9. So, 35 plus 44, 79. Here, you have to write these answers in 2 seconds only. You have to solve this problem. Double digit plus double digit, you have to solve the answer in only 2 seconds. Here, let us observe 36 plus 43. Before writing 3 plus 4, 7 as it is, we have to check next digit 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 is carry combination or non-carry combination. If you observe 6 plus 3 is non-carry combination. So directly we have to write 3 plus 4 is 7, 6 plus 3 is 9. Here if you observe 72 plus 23. Here directly before writing 7 plus 2, 9 as it is. Before writing 9, you have to check next digits 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is non-carry combination. So, we are writing 7 plus 2, 9, 2 plus 3, 5. 72 plus 23 is 95. Don't use pen and paper or any calculator, anything. You have to calculate these numbers in your mind and you have to write the answer. So, let's see 43 plus 35. Before writing 7 as it is, we have to check 3 plus 5, it is carry combination or non-carry combination. If you observe 3 plus 5 is non-carry combination. So, we have to write directly 78. Let's see one more example. 54 plus 34. 5 plus 3 is 8. Before writing 8 as it is, we have to check the next digits 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 is non-carry combination. So, I am writing 5 plus 3 is 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. Here, let's see one more example under non-carry combination. 36 plus 52. Before writing 3 plus 5, 8. Everyone knows that one. 3 plus 5 is 8. Before writing 8 as it is, we have to check the next numbers. That is 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2, don't calculate. You have to check 6 plus 2 is carry combination or non-carry combination. 6 plus 2 is non-carry combination. So directly write 3 plus 5, 8. 6 plus 2 is 8. Okay. Till now we have discussed non-carry combination. Now we are going to discuss carry combinations. 85 plus 97. 8 plus 9, 17, everyone know. Before writing 8 plus 9, 17, we have to check next digits. 5 plus 7 is carry combination. So, in previous session, we have discussed when we are getting carry combination, we have to increase by 1. That is 8 plus 9, end digit is 17. 17 plus 1 is 18. So, 5 plus 7, end number is 2. So, we have to write 85 plus 97 is 182. Let's see some more examples. You people will get clear idea. 98 plus 45. 9 plus 4, 13. Everyone knows that one. Before writing 13 as it is, we have to check next digits. 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 is carry combination or non-carry combination. 8 plus 5 is carry combination. For carry combination, we have to add plus 1. That is 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 plus 1 is 14. 8 plus 5, end number is 3. So simply write 143. Let's see one more example. 99 plus 98. 9 plus 9, 18, everyone knows. Before writing 18 as it is, we have to check next digits. 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8 is carry combination or non-carry combination. We have to think in mind. 9 plus 8 is carry combination. So for carry combinations, we have to add by 1. So 9 plus 9 is 18. 19 we will write. So 9 plus 8, end digit is 7. So 197 is the answer. Let's see some more examples. You people will get clear idea what logic we are using, how we are solving within 2 seconds. 83 plus 84. 8 plus 8, 16, everyone knows. Before writing 16 as it is, we have to check 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is non-carry combination. So I am writing as it is. 8 plus 8 is 16, 3 plus 4 is 7. Okay, let's see 85 plus 96. 8 plus 9, 17. Before writing 17 as it is, we have to check 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6 is carry combination. So 8 plus 9, 17. I will increase by 1. That is 18. 5 plus 6, end number is 1. That is 181. Let's see 97 plus 88. 9 plus 8, 17. We know everyone knows 9 plus 8 is 17. Next, we have to check the next number. 7 plus 8 is carry combination or non-carry combination. 7 plus 8, carry combination. So, instead of writing 17, I will write 18. 7 plus 8, end number is 5. So, that is 185.